Well, I started at 4 p.m. So it's taken me an hour and 20 minutes to get to this temperature. We've got liquid aluminium in there. Same setup as before. I've got my box there. I put a little tube in there, it'll make it difficult to get out, but there's quite a lot in there. I'm a bit nervous, really, because this is where it all could go horribly wrong. A lot of stuff in there. It's just glowing. Man, that's awesome. It's time I had a beer. Wow, here we go. The last fire of 2018, really. It's actually really, it's glowing warm still. But I'm just gagging to see if it worked. What do you think? Right, I'm going in. It certainly smells like bloody foam. Oopsie daisy, what happened there? Oh, that's a good sign. That's my my breather pipe there. And we've got another breather pipe. In fact, generally if the breather pipes have worked, well, speaking from experience, I've only ever done this once before. Oh, and that breather pipe's there. Shit, we could be onto something. Oh, yes! Yes! Fan-freaking-tastic! Man, that's everything! God, man, I'm getting good at this. Shit, that's amazing. Oh, mate. Oh, this is so cool that I can actually do this. Oh, Frida's going to be impressed with these. Okay, these are the things I made. They're actually a jibe preventer which I saw on the internet, and I've tried to recreate them out of
aluminium, but of course the ones online, the ones for a few $100s, are actually anodized aluminium and printed by true professionals, and these ones are handmade. This one was just cut, the foam was cut by hand. This one was with a homemade foam cutter that I made just for the purpose. Unfortunately, the number one lesson I've learned is make sure the pattern is absolutely primo, because that's exactly what you'll get. Here was me thinking I could just file them down when they're made. I've still got to drill a hole in the end. But unfortunately, that's not the case. I spent 2 hours trying to smooth these out to get nice edges around here for the rope to go through. And I've still got a lot of work to do. So the lesson I've learned is make the mould exactly how you want it, and I can improve on this. In fact, being aluminium, I can just melt it down and make another one. And in fact, just to demonstrate what I'm doing, it goes like this, and over that, and then the top bit attaches to the mast, and in a jibe situation that will create friction on the line. And if you needed more friction, you can just go take it through another couple, like that, which creates more friction. And the idea was such a simple one that I thought, man, that's good. It'd be so easy to make one of those. And indeed I have. But I've still got to drill a hole in here. And somehow I've also decided I'm going to make that round rather than square, because that's what I'm worried about. But anyway, I've got two. One big one, one small one. See how they go. And try it with different ropes. And I'm very impressed. Second time I've ever casted aluminium in my life, and all good. This is usable.